Here are the answer keys of class 10 science board paper. This is set 3. Now let us see. First question. Answer is calcium and magnesium. Second one, option A is the right answer. Third one, option C. Fourth one is salt and water. Fifth one is option B. Sixth one is option D. Eighth one is option D. Ninth one is option C. 10th one is option C. 11th one is option D. 12th one is option C. 13th one is option D. 14th one is option D. 15th is option A. 16th is option A. 17th is B. 18th is A. 19th is C. And 20th is B. And the next is section B. These all are numericals. And question number 25, we have to justify if this is a chemical reaction. So we will show the evolution of gas such as hydrogen. Next is we have to make chemical equation here. Next is section C. Here we have to define 1 volt potential difference. We can define it as work done to move 1 coulomb of charge. So that will be answer for A. Fifth one is again numerical. 28th one is also numerical. 29th we have to draw a ray diagram. 30th we can write 23 pairs of chromosomes and 1 pair of sex chromosomes. And now B, explain how in sexually reproducing organism number of chromosome is progeny is maintained. So you can write here about meiosis. Next is hormone X. This will be adrenaline, which is secreted by adrenal gland. Next is you have to write the activity. Name 2 metals which react violently. This will be sodium and potassium. Write the test to identify gas. The test to identify hydrogen gas is pop sound test. Next, 33, we have to write about a displacement reaction for extracting metals. Next, why can metals high up in reactivity series not obtained by reduction of their oxides by carbon? You have to write reason here. Next, section D. Here is numerical. These all are numericals. Here you have to draw a ray diagram. State Snell's law of refraction of light. Here you can write about sin I upon sin R is equal to constant. You can write here. Next, differentiate between virtual images. About object distance you can write that in convex lens and convex lens you can differentiate it, and magnification you can write in convex lens it is high and in concave lens it is low. Next, you have to write functions of ovary. Function of ovary is it releases egg. Fallopian tube, it is site of fertilization. Uterus, it is site of implantation. 2 contraceptive methods used by human males. You can write here condoms. And next, surgical methods such as vasectomy, where vas deferens is cut. Here is the OR question. Identify A, B and C and write the function of each. A is stigma, B is pollen tube, C is germ cell, female germ cell. Now next is 36 question. Draw electron dot structure of chlorine. What happens when chlorine reacts with methane in presence of sunlight? You have to write there. Oxidizing agents and this all you have to write. Give reasons why carbon form compounds mainly by covalent bonding, because it is not possible to donate electrons or to gain electrons for carbon, because gaining requires more energy and protons cannot hold these many electrons. You can write them. Why do covalent compounds have low melting and boiling point? You have to write reason, and here also you have to give reasons for the following. Now write the colors of insulation, that line wires you have to write. What should be current rating of electrical circuit? So you have to put formula here and calculate it. Next will be, what is the function of earth wire? You can write that in case of when current is leaked, earth wire helps. Then list 2 precautions you have to write. Next, write balanced chemical equation to show the products formed during electrolysis of brine. There you can write chlorine, hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. List 2 uses of any one product. So you can write the uses of chlorine, such as it is used as disinfectant, and second, it is used in manufacture of bleaching powder. Next, a mild non-corrosive basic salt. This will be baking soda, which is NaCO3. When it is heated, it produces Na2CO3, which is washing powder. Define water of crystallization. You can define it and give 2 examples. Example, you can give CuSO4.5H2O and FeSO4.7H2O. You can also give the example of Na2CO3.10H2O. Next, name and define the process. You can write photosynthesis and define it. Chemical equation, you can write the equation of photosynthesis, which is 6CO2 plus 12H2O. In presence of light, it gives glucose and oxygen and water. Next, you can write state and proper events that occur in. You can write about malic acid. Desert plants produce malic acid at night and utilize it in morning. Now here you have to give reasons for what green plants will prepare food. Here both the questions you have to give the reasons. So we have discussed the whole question paper. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.